what I was talking about valves. Okay, what are the valves
Yeah.
we are using in our plumbing system? Okay,
Yes.
that we'll talk today in chapter. That chapter will talk about regarding valves. Okay,
Okay.
valve, butterfly valve,
Yeah.
NRB,
Yes.
check valve,
Yes.
Weissteiner.
Yes.
These all
Yes.
are a control valve. Okay, these all you have to use it to maintenance for maintenance
Yeah.
point of view. Okay, why it is used? People
Yes.
will ask why it is valves is used. Suppose this is flat floor. I'm showing the schematic. Okay,
Yes.
this is ground floor. This is first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Okay, what happened here?
Yes.
A riser when it is going to through gravity from tank, when
Yeah.
it is coming to this area, no, each floor it is going.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, what happened? We will give a valves here. Each floor we will give a valve here.
Yes.
Okay, to control it.
Flow.
Suppose no, not flow. To control due to maintenance. Suppose some leakage happen here.
Yes.
Okay, so damages, some leakage happen here. So you can off
Yes.
this valve.
Yes.
No need to off this one. Here one valve will be there also. Okay,
Yes.
so no need to off this valve. Directly you can off it. Remaining floor you can work.
Yes.
Okay, so if you will not provide valves here, then directly you have to off here. If you off here means everything will be off,
Yes.
right? To do maintenance point of view, we use valves. Okay,
Yes.
this you see, what will happen? This is just like swing. It will swing like this. If you swing means it will be closed set. Okay, like this if you open means it will be open stage.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
suppose it is in between like this. If you rotate this side,
Yeah.
off, and it will
Yeah.
on like this. It is okay.
Yes.
Clear. Generally,
Yes.
drawing we show as a like this. We will show in single line diagram. What you call okay,
Yeah.
and in short form we will write BV. Okay, this all thing I think you are aware, right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Up to 50 dia we will use ball valve. Up to 50 mm.
Okay.
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 Next. Next is butterfly valve. This is also same. Okay, if your dia is more, we will use butterfly valve. Okay,
Okay.
here
Okay.
you will write in short form it is BFV, right?
Yes.
And dia is above 50 dia. Above 50 dia, huh?
Yes.
It comes with two types. One is lever type. Another one is gear type. Okay, lever type and gear type. This is lever type. Okay,
Okay.
gear type you will see another ring will be there like this. It will be like this. I'll show one image in clear now everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Clear. Clear.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Best example. This is not gear operated. Written wrong. These are gear operated. Okay. These are
Okay.
okay. These all are gear operated.
Okay.
Okay. This will be lever operated. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
If
Yes.
you rotate, this will open. This is open state. Water will flow. When we want to stop it, rotate like this. It will be closed state. Okay.
Mhm. Yes.
Yeah. Next is gate valve. This is also a type of valve we use for shortcut GV. What will happen for dia more than 200 250? Okay,
Yes.
we will use this type of gate valve.
Okay.
Okay, look for example, where tank is there,
Okay.
here one pump will be there.
More than 150, right?
Yeah, more 200. 200
Oh,
also you will use this. Okay,
okay.
here from this tank. Okay, this is coming. Gate valve, then Weissteiner, then it is going to.
Yes. Yes.
So in this area we will use gate valve. Okay,
Okay.
I'll show one example also, image also, gate valve.
Yeah. Yes.
See, this is the best example. Okay,
Yeah.
flange type. This is called flange.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is called flange.
Yes.
One will be flange type, another one will be screw type. For ball valve, you see, gate valve, it is screw type. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
Yeah. This is the difference.
Okay.
Another one is check valve.
Yes.
What is check valve? I will tell. Water. In delivery line,
Yeah.
suppose pump is here.
Yes.
This all is called suction, right?
Yes. Yes.
In delivery line, we will give a NRV. Okay, the symbol of NRV is like this. Okay, if people call it check valve or NRV, non-return valve,
Okay.
both are same.
Okay.
Okay, why it is used?
Not to, when we don't want the water to
Yes,
go back.
yeah, water flow is from this side is okay.
Yes.
It should not go back to again. Why?
Because it will obstruct. There is a flow. There is a process going on. Like if it is a centrifugal pump,
Yeah.
the process is centrifugal force.
Hmm.
It can't go back.
Yeah, water.
Like that different.
Yeah,
Yeah.
water will flow into the pump.
Yeah.
It will be over flooded.
Yes.
Because for that reason, it is not recommendable. For that reason, they will use this NRV or check valve.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yes.
And in this, you see, flow will be like this only. Water is flow like this. Okay, flow will be in, but it cannot come out. You see here, it is going here.
Yes.
Here it is obstruction is there.
Yeah.
This is pin. This is mechanical inside it is. No need to worry
Yeah.
about it. Just if anyone will ask why water is not flowing here, you can say water flow inside just S type.
Yeah.
Okay, but here in reverse S type is not possible. Here some leakages, blockages is there. So water will go here and go here like this S type. So here it will be not possible. Clear?
Yes.
And it, different type also it is there. Some material. Okay, cast iron. Basically, we will use cast iron, CI.
Okay.
Okay, and this is all cast iron. Okay, all will use cast iron, but only this one we will use brass or gunmetal. Brass or
Gunmetal.
clear now.
Yes.
Yes.
Nowadays plastic also
Plastic
came, huh?
CPVC is there, but
Yes.
that we will use in a
Water
residential. Yeah, residential
Okay.
very less.
Yes.
Okay,
It's
general.
not that I think strong.
Yeah. So in project we will not use only some house, 2 floor, 1 floor, and that we will
Yeah.
use it.
Okay. And only the main differentiator is the size. Or is there any other differentiating thing which differentiate all these ores?
Which one? Which one? Size of?
No. मतलब depending on the size only we will use this different types,
Yeah.
or is there any specific
No specific.
I don't know.
Reason is size we will use higher size we will use this.
Yeah.
Operation will be same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Operation will be same with these two. This one is total concept is different. Reason is you will come to know if it will rotate no like this.
Yes.
If you rotate it,
Yes.
will rotate like this only it will go up. Okay,
Yes.
you want to close it means it will come down. So for easy understanding the valve it is open or close, we will use this one in suction line.
Yeah.
Okay, basically the suction will be around 200
Okay.
250. Okay, in that type gear type or this one lever type it is not easy to control. For this reason this is used. Okay,
Okay.
next is this one also check valve clearly. This is also clear, right?
Yes.
Now is vice turner.
Yeah.
Vice turner we will use in this is the tank. We'll use Y here. Okay, this is Y. Vice turner.
Yes.
What will happen? Water flowing here this side. So what will happen here? One mesh is there. You can see, no?
Yeah.
Some 2 mm to 5-6 mm. It is coming based on
Yes.
requirement. Okay. So what will happen? What will come? Any garbage or anything is there? No. It will
Yes.
be collected here.
Yes.
So water only will flow from here.
Yeah.
Garbage anything will be settling here.
Okay.
So you can remove this one
Yeah, we can clean it.
and you can clean it for maintenance time.
Yes.
Okay, for that reason it is used during suction, so that if any garbage will come and hit your pump, then
Yes.
it is very difficult to run the pump.
Yes.
It will seal, pump will seal.
Yes.
Okay, for this reason it is clear now.
Yes, clear.
Yeah.